welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, we're going to put a foundation to a test, and today we're going to review the LA Color Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation, and it looks like this. And if you are not part of Pineapple Squad, then don't forget to join my family and you will never miss my future videos. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and without further ado, we're gonna get into the tutorial. So now that we are all close and personal, this is how the foundation looks like, and I still have the packaging on. I bought this foundation literally a month ago. It has to be, or more than a month ago, and I just did not have the time to film it because I did have other videos to film for you guys, so it's just crazy. But yeah, this is how it looks like. I don't know if it might be a little too light for my skin. That's not good. Alright, so we're gonna try it out, and if it is too late, okay, let's try it out. And the color is Cafe, and it was the darkest one that they had, which was absolutely insane. They don't have a lot of shades. I don't understand why these small little brands don't come out with more shades. Is it because it's so expensive, or why? But yeah, this is the LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigmented Foundation. So hopefully this is full coverage. And it doesn't really say anything else on the bottle, just that. And I will put any other disclaimer around here or somewhere about the foundation, just so you guys could know. If you guys hear noise upstairs, it's that kind of day. It's that kind of day. Alright, and it has a pump. Oh, it actually comes out a little darker than what the thing has. No. Let's see. This is 2 whole pumps, and it doesn't even move. Like, it doesn't move. It doesn't move at all. So one side I'm gonna do with a brush, which is my favorite brush right now. This is the Amazon kinda one for the, what's this called again? Oval brush. It's like the Amazon version of the oval brush, which I absolutely love. And then I'm gonna use one side with my damp sponge. And all right, let's see. That's how it looks like. Oh my goodness, I'm so scared that it's not gonna be a good color. Oh, it is gonna be a good color. Okay, it looks so much lighter in camera. So I'm gonna try to put this a little bit down. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit down just like that for now, because so you guys can actually see how it looks. And can we admire my curls? Cannot wait. Ooh. Cannot wait till my hair is fully curled. Okay, anyways, back to this. Whoa! Alright, it's full coverage, alright. Wow. Wow, it looks really good. It looks really good. It covered, guys. You guys know I have a lot of stuff over here. Thumbnail. So, whoa, that covered good, and it's like setting to my perfect shade. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I like it. Cannot believe it took so long. Right. Forehead. Ooh, like it. Oh my god, I'm getting too excited right now. Okay, let's do the other side. I might need to do one more palm, because this did absorb a lot of the foundation. So I'm gonna do a tiny bit pump just from my forehead. I'm gonna use a brush. I'm gonna dab it first. That's how I like to do it. Dab. I'm just gonna do a contour brush on my neck. Oh my god, that looks so good. Are you guys seeing this? How good this looks. Oh my god, I love how it looks. Guys, I love how this looks. I absolutely love how it looks. I covered everything. It is full coverage. Are you guys seeing this? Oh my god, it looks so nice. It looks really nice. And I honestly don't need what's left, so I'm just gonna wipe it off. It looks so pretty. You guys, oh my god, I really do like it. What do you guys think? It looks very pretty. I like it. It looks a little white on the camera, but I swear it doesn't look like that. It looks like my exact skin tone, and it looks really nice. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back and give you guys my honest opinion, but I like it. It's really nice. It's nice. Alright guys, so I finished my makeup, and this is how my face is looking, and I think it looks amazing. What do you guys think? Oh my god, I think it looks amazing. And if I do look a little shiny or anything, it's because it's really hot in this room and these lights are very bright. And I don't like the summer. I cannot wait for winter because I'm literally dying right now. But this foundation so far for me has been one of the ones that I've been most impressed by when it comes to coverage. I love the Maybelline Super Stay, and this one is reminding me of that one, and it looks super good. So now we're just gonna do the test. Hopefully my phone will want to take it because it's been really retarded lately. But we want to do the flash test. Oh, it's good. Look how nice it looks. Okay, I passed the test. Everything I have on my face passed the test. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the Pineapple Squad and you won't miss any of my future videos. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.